Let your imagination soar with Audible. With stories across every genre, from expert advice to fantasy, you'll be inspired to imagine new worlds, possibilities, and ways of thinking. Listening can even lead to a positive change in your mood, habits, and overall well-being. As an Audible member, you'll get to choose one title a month to keep from their entire catalog, including bestsellers and new releases. Allow yourself to delve into the spooky this season by listening to classics like Stephen King's The Shining and Pet Sematary. There's more to imagine when you listen. New members can try Audible free for 30 days. Visit audible.com/imagine or text imagine to 500-500. That's audible.com/imagine or text imagine to 500-500.
Explaining football to the friend who's just there for the nachos? Hard. Tailgating from home like a pro with snacks and drinks everyone will love? An easy win. And with Instacart helping deliver the snack time MVPs to your door, you're ready for the game in as fast as 30 minutes. So you never miss a play or lose your seat on the couch or have to go head-to-head for the last chicken wing. Shop Game Day Faves on Instacart and enjoy $0 delivery fees on your first 3 grocery orders. Offer valid for a limited time. Other fees and terms apply.
Wish TV's Focus on Food is a commitment to improving food accessibility in the community. Hear from expert culinary contributors, health professionals, and people who are making a difference in the fight to eradicate hunger. Made possible by Indiana University Health.
And Wish TV is putting the focus on food. A local garden has become a lifeline for Central Indiana families in need. What began as a modest corporate initiative has blossomed into a remarkable collective effort. News 8's Raina Revel shares how food is not just substance, but medicine.
Last year, Roche's garden produced an impressive 300 pounds of fresh organic produce, and this year they're hoping to double that number.
This year we've doubled the size of our garden to over 5,000 square feet.
This bounty of vegetables are not destined for corporate cafeterias, but rather the shelves of the Resource Hub, a local food bank where it goes to families in need. It's an initiative aligning with the American Heart Association's Food is Medicine campaign.
As a part of Food is Medicine, they get scripts for a food pantry called the Resource Hub.
Roche's garden is known as one of the oldest gardens in Indianapolis. It's evolved to playing a critical role to provide nutritious, healthy food and preventing disease during a time when food insecurity is high.
It's sad that that still is occurring in this day and age. However, people are becoming more aware of it, and little gardens like this are able to make somewhat of an impact. I think if more people did this, we'd even have a larger impact locally.
According to the American Heart Association, food insecurity numbers have skyrocketed since the pandemic.
It really is a widespread problem when we looked at the data too. You know, the number of people in central Indiana who have low or no access to healthy food could fill Lucas Oil Stadium 13 times.
The American Heart Association says it's seen higher cases of chronic diseases like diabetes, cholesterol, and obesity with lower access to healthier foods.
Just kind of knowing where your food comes from, being a part of creating it, that's something that's grown in my interest over the last few years.
These volunteers are proving that food is indeed medicine with every harvest, determination, love, and a bit of dirt.
I feel like today was our first day of harvesting and we're over 50 pounds. So I feel like we are well on our way of reaching our goal this year.
Sowing seeds of hope and health for all.
This is the Wish TV Focus on Food podcast, made possible by Indiana University Health. Find more on the Focus on Food website by visiting wishtv.com/food and watch the ongoing coverage on Wish TV.